Hello everyone, this is Tanmay Sharma. My register number is Ur15Cs188. This is my experiment number 3 for computer networks lab, and the title of this experiment is IP addressing and subnetting. So as you can see here, I have created two networks and I have connected it with a router. The two networks consist of 3 end devices connected to a switch, and that 3 end devices includes one PC, one server and one laptop. So here I have assigned IP addresses to these end devices. So first we would talk about IP address. So basically IP address is a 32-bit. It's a unique 32-bit address which tells us about the network which is being assigned to these devices, and it tells us about the device, like to which network it's connected and like its host. So now we would talk about subnetting. So subnetting is like basically it's borrowing of host bits to the network portion so that we can prevent wastages of IP addresses. So here I have created two subnets. I have created subnet two networks of mask 25. So here within each network with one IP itself, I have borrowed one bit from the host portion. So like in one network itself I can connect 128 minus 2, 128 minus 2, that is 126 devices. I can assign IPs to 126 systems, and here also I can host IPs for 126 systems. So and whenever we do the logical AND of IP address with its subnet mask, then we can get the network address. For example, we are having a IP address of this and we are familiar with its subnet mask. So if we perform logical AND between them, so we would come to know the network address of this particular network, and similar procedure would be followed by this thing. So now let's check now we'll simulate the message, that is we'll ping from one device to another, and we would check out whether that simulation is working or not. So here ping followed by we'll simulate it 2 times. Once we'll simulate it to the same network, and in the second simulation we would simulate it from this network to another network. So 192.168.2. let's say 3. So yeah, as you can see here 3 lines are coming. This shows that our packet is being prepared. So now capture forward. So as you can see that the message that the packet reached there, and again it came back. So this was in the same network. So now we would simulate the packet from one network to another network. So friends, here I am going to introduce you with the concept of default gateway. This concept is used whenever we ping from one network to another. Here as we simulated the packet from this one device to another device within the same network, then it doesn't need default gateway. But whenever we are simulating a packet from one network to another network, then this packet actually it gives this device gives the packet to gives that packet to the default gateway, and then the default gateway takes care of it, and then it makes sure that it reaches the IP address which is being assigned, which is being given, followed by the ping command. So now let's check it out. Let's check out that simulation. So Control C for stopping, and again we would type ping followed by 192 followed by the IP address of any of the end devices of another network. So 192.168.2 168.2.132. yeah so as you can see, now this packet is ready to it is ready for the simulation. So now, as you can see here, inside the router, it has been like from this network they have given it to the default gateway. So now it is the responsibility of default gateway that the packet should be properly transferred to the IP address which was being mentioned. So as you can see, here was the IP address that I had mentioned, and the packet has reached there successfully, and again the packet would come. So that's all about IP addressing and subnetting. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching my video.